Hey, what's going on, everybody? My name is Jess Marshall, owner, Autograph Construction. I'm a restoration contractor, so we repair all kinds of wind damage, hail damage, flood damage, fire damage, and that means that we're always working with insurance companies. We're trying to work as hard as we can to make sure that our clients, who are the policyholders, that they're taken care of. We're an independent contractor, and what that means is we don't work with, and we're not in the pocket of any insurance carrier, and we're not in the pocket of any material supplier either. It's super important if you're a policyholder, you've got damage to your home or your building, to make sure that you are taken care of. In the insurance world, insurance claims, we call that being fully indemnified. And what indemnified means is you are fully and fairly paid for your loss. Now, it's very difficult if you're just a regular everyday home or business owner to know how to estimate the value of a loss to your home or to your business. And that's where you can rely on a public adjuster to help you. Sometimes you can work with your agent if you feel like you're not being fairly treated by your insurance company claims department. And you definitely want to have a strong connection, and you want to work as a team with your contractor as well, because your contractor is going to know what it really costs to get the job done and to get it done right. Because if your insurance company is telling you that it's only going to take $15,000 to replace your roof, but you get quotes from local licensed contractors for $30,000, why would you want to accept lesser quality to replace the roof on your home, which is probably one of your biggest investments? That's where we get to what's called appraisal. Appraisal is a clause in your insurance policy. It's in every homeowner's Type A RCV policy, and it's also in business and multifamily insurance policies. And what appraisal provides for is if there's a dispute between you and your insurance carrier, you, as the policyholder, have the right to invoke the appraisal clause. And what appraisal does is it removes the desk adjusters and the field adjusters from the equation, and it puts the fair outcome of your insurance claim in the hands of an appraiser who represents you and an appraiser who represents your carrier. Both of those appraisers get together after you've appointed your appraiser. You send your signed appraisal demand into your carrier. Your carrier will also appoint an appraiser. Both appraisers will talk, and they will appoint an umpire. The umpire is like a fail-safe. If the two appraisers are not able to figure out a fair middle ground, they're not able to come up with a fair settlement, then they will go and let the umpire decide. Now, here's why this is important for you. You don't know how to type up a restoration estimate in Xactimate or in some of these other restoration softwares. You don't know what it costs to get a crew out to dry your home out if you've been flooded. You don't know what it costs to demo your property if it's been damaged by fires. These two appraisers who are appointed are third-party objective individuals. Oftentimes they have long backgrounds and a lot of experience in insurance claim work. And they work together because a lot of times appraisers work for both sides. Most of the time, appraisers will sometimes settle claims for policyholders and also for carriers, which means they're objective. And isn't the goal, after all, a fair outcome for you? Isn't the goal to make sure that you are fairly indemnified? The goal isn't to save your insurance company money. The goal isn't to skimp on the expense of fixing your home or building. The goal is to make sure that your home, your building are fixed right, that it's done with quality, it's done with integrity, with the best materials, and that you receive the best warranties for that work. If you have any questions, you can always reach out to me. I'm not a public adjuster. I'm just a restoration contractor, but I've got a lot of knowledge, a lot of working knowledge, processing insurance claims. There's lots of laws, there's lots of things to know. Reach out to me. You can hit me on Instagram anytime at Jess from the Northwest, or you can email me live at autographconstruction.com. Happy to answer any of your questions. If you've got a comment about the video, love to know what you think. Drop a comment below, and we'll see you next time.